Hello, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus. And I remember I said the great Johnsonkeyz. Alright, let's do this. Alright. Alright, God bless you. So this song, I've actually done a breakdown of this song in the key of C, in the key of F, and I also got a request to do it in the key of F sharp. So I'm going to do that very fast. Alright, so but before that, I want to inform you that if you haven't gotten my advanced passing chord piano course, you should get that now. It's just 5,000 naira for people in Nigeria and then $15 for people abroad. And then also my intermediate piano course also that goes for 4,000 naira for people in Nigeria and then $10 for people abroad. If you've not gotten any of these two, check the comment section for my contact to buy your own copy now. All right. God bless you. You see the flyers on the screen, right? God bless you. Okay, so the song pretty started from a key of F sharp, right? So the song pretty started from 1. So the way I'm playing this, I'm doing my 7, 1, and 5 together. So then to 5, 3, sorry, 5, 7, and 3. So while on 1, 5, 3, right? So I'm doing then. So I'm doing 1, then 4. Right. Right, so the pretty did that. So then at the point the number. So this is I know most normally they went to 6. You can actually do 7 3s. So and I've taught a lot of 7 3 6 on this channel in the key of F sharp, in every other key. I've taught a lot of that's why we have over 700 videos where I've taught a lot of passing chords, and also in my courses also I've taught fantastic ones also, right? But then there was this stuff they did, and then you might like to follow that because you can also use this also for your 7 3 6. So that just went 6 to flat 6, then your 3, your sharp 4, sharp 4, sharp 5, and then to 6. So that was the bass line. Sorry. So the right hand did A and F sharp to A flat and F. So A and F sharp to A flat and F. Then he did 3 all the way to 6. That's your F, B flat, D. So that's on 3. Then F sharp, A and E flat on C. Then A flat, B and F on D, then to your 6 finally, which is E flat on the left, and then on the right you have a B flat, D flat, E flat, and F sharp. So together, and then the other stuff are basically simple. Eze 6, Ebube 3, then 4. Right, again. That's 1. Then I can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5. So on my 5 I have a 5, 1, 3 on my left. So then that basically is the chord. So if you play another keys also, you can check the ones I've done the breakdown on other keys also for some of the stuff I didn't actually show you. And don't forget to get my advanced chord piano course that I talked about. You can get it from any country, and also the intermediate piano course. Also, the courses are fantastic. The syllabus are nice, and then you're gonna learn a lot because I've been getting testimonies from various people who have gotten this abroad. God bless you. Bye.